Have you been looking for a performance SUV with bold styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Veloce in Volcano Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, traffic jam assist, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6876.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.